Hi guys, this is Sylvia, your favorite Foxy YouTuber. Welcome back to my channel. And on today's video, I have Luke and Willow. Say hi! Okay, a kid is saying hi for Luke. Anyway, on today's video is episode 4 or a recreation of episode 4, The Farm. So on today's video, we are gonna rebuild or build the farm, okay, into a better one. Yeah, let's get started. Emma take the plants. Emma harvest them. We lower at the farm. If you are trying to find us, we are at the farm.
Okay, just in case. The forest can be a good substitute to the forest.
Don't. Oh my
Where's
god,
the house?
she just burned herself.
What?
I just saw her burn herself. Why?
Because why not?
Oh god, oh my god, Willow is having her own. Willow, don't burn down my forest, please. Don't burn it down. I love it.
Willow, it's not a question, it's a suggestion.
It's an order.
No, a suggestion is an order.
A suggestion is more different that I wanna kill the chickens. They're annoying as hell. Right now, they're annoying as hell. Okay, I think it's going to be a silent one. Oh, she was slain by a zombie. Ish. Huh? Okay, you help. You help Willow. I don't have items to help Willow, I think, yeah. Just find your way back. I think you know where's the way, right? Okay, there we go. Why the hell are you shooting me? Willow, you okay? Yeah, she's in the back in the woods. I want like that. Just tone it down. Tone the thing down. Okay, anyway, we're stripping wood. Because Luke
Yes.
said so. He wants them stripped. I don't know why, but he wants them stripped. So,
It's much better.
hmm?
Strip wood is much better than not strip wood.
Oh my god, why? Why is that wood like that? What? What? What is it? What's going on this wood, in this wall?
That is not mine.
Willow, can you put down the wood, please? Stop trying to take them. Put them
Yeah,
down.
take them down.
No, we need a finished farm, guys. Please put them back. We need them. Okay, anyway. Okay, the wood is all
wrong
stripped.
side.
We stripped them all down. What to do?
Yes, perfect.
What to do next?
Okay,
And
it's your guys' pick. What do you guys the layout of this part of the house here upstairs? What do you guys want the layout to be?
layout to be
Just put like some random wood, like like random walls there and there.
why can we see up down here? Why?
This is going to be pure glass,
Why?
so that we can see someone who is on the storage.
Okay, storage.
Where's there wood down there?
Willow. Willow.
Ah, my size. Thank you. Thank you for accurate depiction.
Willow, please put go calm down here.
Yes, break down the wood.
Calm down. Oh. We need to get to the beds right now. Oh my god.
Not my bed, please.
I'm grabbing my bed and putting it inside the house.
I have my bed right here.
Oh, okay. I don't need to grab your bed. Look, I need to blur that out. Oh my god.
Oh, glass. I need glass. What the heck? I need glass.
Okay, you need glass. Look, okay. We'll try to get some glass later. But
I have sand.
Really? Give.
Oh right, I forgot. Willow has sand. Anyway, we should.
Give me the glass. Give.
There's
No, give me the glass. I'm going to do something.
Cause there's literally sand here. Right here, girl. There's sand. Right here.
No.
Yes.
No.
Yes.
No.
And here
You're
too.
lying.
Here, sand.
You're delusional.
How am I delusional, girl?
You don't see anything.
Luke is blind. I mean, yeah, he's blind in real life. He's a blind as a dog. Oh, where's Willow? Ooh. Willow! We have a missing Willow. Oh, he's Tuloy. Oh my god. I keep butchering it.
Please?
Sorry! I keep calling Luke her and Willow he. I keep misgendering them. I don't know why. There's glass right here. Oh my god. My grass. And what, huh? My
Your grass?
no.
It's dark in grass.
Here. Oh, I'm gonna put it right here. I'm gonna melt this down the sun. There's sun right here, just one.
Willow, you good, honey?
Willow, come back. We need you. Oh. Anyway. Okay, she's here. Anyway, what to do next? Luke, what to do next? Give me yeah, there you go. I'll go smelt them. I'm gonna make glass. I'm gonna smelt them. Oh, wrong. Okay, there we go.
Willow. Willow.
I'm smelting the
Willow.
glass. I'm smelting the glass.
Willow.
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 Willow, can you talk?
Hello. Wow.
Can you come upstairs?
I'm upstairs now. Okay, I'm going upstairs too. I love how Luke is the only one with like with like a different name instead of his his fake name, his character's name is just Mr. Pancake, while me and Willow has like Willow and Sylvia on our
Willow.
name.
Okay. You see this now? If you want to live here
No.
or sleep here upstairs,
Wow.
you can.
Oh yeah. You wanna live in the farm? You can. You can be a lookout for the farm. This could also be your house.
Yeah.
Yeah.
This
Since
is your entrance of the. I mean, where do you want the entrance to be? Where are you? Hello?
I think it's much
Where do you
better.
want it to be?
I think the entrance
Where
should
do
be
you want the
here.
entrance to be?
Should be
Where
in
do you
here.
want it to be?
Where do you want it? Do you want it to be like two doors or one door? 2 doors or one door?
One?
2 doors? Okay.
One?
2 doors. She said 2 doors.
Okay.
There we go. Good choice, good choice. So
Question, do you want a window right here as well?
Oh
So
my
you can
god.
see on the stairs. Over here, so you can
Yes,
see the
yes.
stairs.
My farm! I
Okay.
need to go to my farm. Somebody stamp on my farm. Oh my god. How dare you guys do that? Oh my god.
Willow, how dare you?
Oh my god. Who stamp on it?
No, I'm making a window.
Alright,
Can
I'll
you
go.
give me some
I'll,
glass?
I'll go check on the glass. Wait. Give me a moment. I love how there's a door and I'm not using it. Okay. Let's see. How many are still dead? Okay, there we
Thank
go.
Okay,
16,
okay.
9. We can have that. You can have this. I have 41 glass panels. Glass. What is this called? Glass, yeah, just glass. Oh my god, Willow! She's trying to die early. And
That's just her.
I have glass. There we go. Here you go. And do you want it to become panels? Glass panels?
I'm thinking about it. I'm just thinking about it for
Oh,
now,
wait.
yeah.
I think this could be like glass, just normal glass.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And then the rest to be panels.
Yeah.
That's the point.
So essentially, we are making a farm and Willow's house.
I mean, yeah, sure, if you want to.
Yeah. Willow, this is your house and you're gonna be the one taking care of the animals and like I think that's very much your character because you're a wolf. Oh wait, no. I don't think that's your character at all. Okay, we're making the wolf take care of the plants and animals. Nice.
That is not on character. But I love it.
Okay. I don't know if that's smart or not. Willow, don't eat the animals, okay? Occasionally you can kill them.
Or, food and stuff.
Occasionally you can kill them for food and then breed them. Oh my god, that sounds so awful. That sounds so awful. What the hell? Okay.
No. It may be. You're technically cooking
No,
them,
no,
so
no,
yeah,
no,
that's
no.
fine.
Don't burn them because if you burn them, everything will catch on fire and your house too. Just kill them.
Okay, Willow, this is your part of the house, I guess. I'm just experimenting.
You should ask Willow what she wants since it's her house. But yeah, we're going to have like
acting like they are in shock.
But I just noticed this chicken keeps. It's only been here in the same spot. What the hell?
Hmm?
This chicken,
Yeah.
baby chicken,
You see
hasn't
those?
moved.
You see that? You see? Look down. You see those chickens?
Yeah. That's okay. We're gonna eat your parents.
Correct.
I love how he just looks at me when I said I'm gonna eat your parents. We're gonna eat your parents, and you're next. You're next. What's your dog's name? Mine is Phoenix. My little baby. My Phoenix. Bye bye, baby. You stay there.
Mustard. There we go. Mustard.
Oh wow, you just name him right now. Oak fence.
What in the world are what in the world are we using right now, Sylvia? Take a huge guess.
Oh shit!
What do you want to use? Dark oak?
I would, but we don't have it now. Stop hitting me! Why cannot we leash a chicken, a baby chicken? That's dumb.
Do you like to torture children? Maybe. You look like one.
No, we cannot like leash a baby chicken because I don't know why, but we can't. Why? Why?
Why cannot you leash a child?
I don't care why. It's dumb. Oh shit. Leash. I have two more. I will break this first for now. How can you be slain by a bee? Why?
Question, what happens if there are like 15 bees stinging me at once?
Wow. What did you do?
I accidentally punched one when breaking a tree.
Okay. Questionable. At best.
At best.
Come on. Come on. We have 5 horses now. Look, do you still have food? Oh,
Yeah, because
can you give me some?
it's good enough for me, but not for everyone else.
Okay. Why is... this villager is annoying.
There's a villager?
A wandering villager. I'm trying to get this film least edited. Please. I can ride every horse now. I tame all of them. There is fine now. Look, get your ass here. Stop again, Emma. I'm calling. Oh, okay, so they are kind of gone right now. So I'm gonna give you guys a tour of everything for now. So this is the farm. This is the farm, animals. Here's the horses, the stables. Okay, I'm gonna.
You're going to die anyways. That's your fault. Yeah, fly away.
Yeah. Horses, a sheep, some chickens, and cows, and 2 pigs. Yeah. Anyway, that can be Willow's house and the farm. And this got trampled. Poor potato. Here we go. We need carrots. This is the carrot farm. We're gonna get it later. Anyway, time to go to sleep. Anyway, guys. So, this is episode 5 of Survival Series. And we just finished the farm. Blew up many times. I guess not me, but Willow. And Luke. Anyway, as you can see, in the back, we have the farm, like the crops, the farm animals, and Willow's house or the farmhouse. Whatever you wanna call it. Anyway, that's all. Bye-bye!
Bye!
Yeah, bye from Willow and...
Everyone.
you're not seeing someone, actually.